Question 1 on quiz 9 is giving us this equation to start with, y equals negative 7x to the fifth plus 2. And they're asking us to find this d squared y over dx squared game here. This is really just math talk for saying find the second derivative. And so what that means is we're going to take the derivative once of this equation, and then we'll just take that derivative again, and that'll be our second derivative. If we took it again, that'd be our third derivative, so on and so forth. So we start off and we'll get our dy dx, our first derivative. This is just going to be a power rule. We'll bring the 5 down. 5 times negative 7 gets us negative 35x, and then subtracting 1 from the power gets us x to the fourth. The derivative of a constant is always 0. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and find our second derivative. So we'll take the derivative of that derivative. And so this is just, again, a power rule. We're going to bring the 4 down. 4 times negative 35 is going to give us negative 140. You can shove that into the calculator if you want to. X. And then subtracting 1 from the power gets us x to the third. So that's our final answer.